This case is a Celtra Duo case, and we're going to start by removing the sprue with the dia trim and then moving to surface refinement with a straight lab diamond burr, just to accentuate that existing restoration anatomy by following the existing anatomical features and just increasing their depth slightly. Celtra Duo is a great, very beautiful material, and you want to be able to finish it to a high shine. So the best way that I've found to do that is using the all-in-one compound with a medium bristle occlusal brush. The occlusal brush is applied into the fissures of the occlusal anatomy with a bit of a pressing motion here and there, but with consistent pressure is the main thing. We use it at 30,000 RPM and make sure that all of the areas that need to have access to that polishing compound that's applied liberally to these crowns are covered. And when you do that, you'll see this incredible luster just appear really, really quickly, especially with Celtra or Celtra Duo, depending on how you pronounce it. The reason is that product has a lot of fluorescence in it, and you want to make the most of that. Polishing smooth surfaces with Celtra Duo is nice and easy. We just use the Eve DiaPro Red for our buccal and lingual smooth surfaces to remove any excess sprue. And then we switch to the Eve Yellow, which is the DiaPro Yellow, and we use that on all of the interproximal and buccal lingual smooth surfaces. And that allows us to get an incredible high shine finish for the entire restoration. There's no need to use the Eve DiaPro on the occlusal, because you will see after you've used the all-in-one compound that you get the same luster and finish with the Eve DiaPro on the smooth surfaces as you do with the DiaShine occlusal brush and the all-in-one. So after that process is finished, you've got a beautiful restoration with luster that allows the light to really bounce and follow the contours of the tooth. And it doesn't take very long, and you're not going to get the wear of glaze off the restoration. So I think it's worth it, and it's always lots of fun.